Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Teacher Ayan. So today we're going to learn how to write very large or very small numbers in scientific notation. So this is grade 7 mathematics. So scientific notation is very useful in the mathematics and in science because it helps us write numbers that are big or too small in a shorter and easier form. But before that, let's have an objective first. So we have our objective for today is write a very large or very small number into its scientific form. Right? So what is scientific notation? Ano ba ang scientific notation? According to the definition, scientific notation is a way of writing numbers using this form. We have a times 10 raised to the power of n, where a is a number greater than or equal to 1 but less than 10. 10 is the base, and n is the exponent that tells how many places the decimal point moves. Example number 1, a very large number. So how are going to convert this one? Paano natin siya convert? Okay, let's convert this number into scientific notation. Sample, we have 45,000. So how are we going to convert this one? So step 1, move the decimal point after the first digit. Okay, move the decimal point after the first digit. So we have 45,000 is equivalent to 4.5. Step 2, count how many places the decimal moved. Okay, so it moved 4 places. Move 4 places. Step 3, write it using powers of 10. So 45,000 is equal to 4.5 by 10 raised to the power of 4. So, ibig sabihin yan, so this is the scientific notation of 45,000. Okay. Example number 2. Okay, another large number. Example, we have 3,200,000. Step 1, move the decimal after the first digit. So, after the first digit. So, dito tayo. In between 3 and 2. Next. So, step 2, count the places moved. So, we move 6 places. Then write the scientific notation. So, that is 3,200,000 is equal to 3.2 by or times 10 raised to the power of 6. Okay, saan galing si 6? Okay, move the decimal after the first digit. So if this is the decimal, so we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 digit. So pag i-convert natin yan into scientific notation, this is 3.2 by 10 or raised to the power of 6. Okay, example number 3. How about very small number? Okay, now let us try. Ito, sample. 0.00045. Okay, napakaliit na niyan. Example nito in real life situation ay yung mga bakterya. So, paano natin siya solve? Step 1, move the decimal point after the first digit. or move the decimal point to make a number between 1 and 10. So it becomes 0.0045. So that is 0.45. So now step 2, count how many places the decimal move. So bilangin natin. So we move 4 places to the right. Okay? 4 places to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So dito tayo sa 4.5. Okay, ulitin natin ha. Count how many places the decimal move. We move 4 places to the right. So from here, sa point na to, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 4. So that is equivalent to 4.5. Since we move to the right, the exponent becomes negative. Ulitin natin. Since we move to the right, the exponent becomes negative. So 0.0045 is equal to 4.5 times 10 raised to the power of negative 4. Okay, another example, another small number. Example, we have 00 or 0.000007. So, paano natin siya solve? Anong gagawin natin? So, step 1, move the decimal places. So, saan natin siya i-move? Okay, step 2. So, naging 7 siya. Bakit? So, we're going to move this one to the right. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, ang naiwan is 7. Okay, next step. Count the places moved. So, ilan yun? There are 6 places. Step 3, write the scientific notation. So, the scientific notation of 0.000007 is equal to 7 times 10 raised to the power of negative 6. Okay, another. Okay, so practice tayo. So, write the given number in scientific notation. And please, paki-comment yung answers ninyo sa comment section below. So for number 1, we have 23,500 and number 2, 0.00043. Write the scientific notation. Again, important tips. Okay, remember these two rules. Number 1, okay, if you're going to move the decimal left, so that is positive exponent. Kung nag-move naman kayo to the right, that is negative exponent. Another is the first number must always be between 1 and 2. So, and that's how you write very large number and very small numbers in scientific notation. If you learned something from this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mathematics tutorial. Hanggang sa muli, so this is Teacher Ayan. See you in the next video.